Okay, first time recording. Shiny Chikorita. I don't know if I should choose it or not. That is dumb. Shiny Chikorita when I plan to get Cyndaquil. The shiny looks so good. Come on. That is so weird. Why is a shiny here? I'm so tempted to get it, but I want Cyndaquil so bad. Weird. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. How did I get this lucky? How? It's just unfair. It had to be the starter. It's even full.
No,
Okay,
ball.